Round 1B of Google Code Jam starts now. Let's try to win this. What a stupid problem. Is the solution unique? Okay. One of them corresponds to seconds. Maybe I can get something from the distance between seconds and minutes. Without any rotation, what that is. There is a number of seconds from 0 to 60. Let's look at some example. So 10 seconds, then minutes will be some full time, let's say 25 minutes, plus 10 divided by 60. And then hour is some full number of hours plus minute divided by 60. Can I get something from that? And if I subtract 60 times this, sorry, 60 times that, I don't remember a worse first problem. It's so annoying, so unpleasant, and not algorithmic at all. This will be divisible by 60. If I know that this is something, basically I need to solve a system of equations, right? I don't know x. But I know that, for example, 10 is x plus this, that, and that. I think we have this system of equations. And everything is integer. Don't know x. I know just values, for example, 10, 25, and 3. Those are... No. Those are hidden. For example, I know that I need to find those. So the number of seconds given, let's say that number of seconds given is this. This is just equal to shift plus s. Alright, then there's some number of minutes. This is equal to the shift plus m plus s divided by 60. Number of minutes divided by 60 plus this, I think. We need to solve the system of equations. But there are 4 variables and 3 equations. Doesn't it mean that there will be multiple solutions? If you fix shift, you will get s, and from this you will get m, you will get h. But I can iterate over h and over m and actually over s, because the number of nanoseconds is very unknown. We can take the value modulo billion to get the number of nanoseconds. Well, that's not everything, because there's still a shift about seconds. But I think that's a good start. I think every value in the input will have the same value modulo billion. No, that's not true. Maybe I should get back to this problem. For now, nobody solved it. But I need to do it. And of course, I'm going for the full score, so I need to think about this one. By default, the time is 0, 0, 0. After 1 nanosecond, it was 1:12:720, then 2:24, 1440, and so on. In general, that's some kind of x, 12 times x, 720 times x, plus the shift, of course modulo something. So we have this system of equations, and I need to solve it for given stuff, like this, like for 3 values given in the input. X is a huge value. Alright, but from this I will know what 11 times x is. Now, modulo what? This is the number of ticks, so this is all modulo this, I think. So every equation here is modulo m. Now, depending on what the difference of that gives me 11 times x. It would be nice to find a value such that multiplied by 11 it will be this. Then I will get x, I will get shift, and I can verify everything. Is that it? I don't know, let's try. We need to use long longs. And we have this. Oh, we have this inequality, that's nice. Oh, I don't know which one is which. All right. There is input of size 3. Let's read all 3 values. And then I will try their permutations. Also from this x and shift I later need to get hour, minute and second, but I think that's easier. This is the number of nanoseconds after the start, so I will just take values model. Alright, I assume that no, second value minus first. Modulo m. Now this is equal to 11 times x. Now I assume that 11 times x, not modulo but exactly, is equal to repetition times m plus diff. This is a candidate for x. Then I can know the shift. V0 minus x. And now I just need to verify if everything is okay. I'm checking those 3 equations. This modulo m is equal to q of I. If it's not equal, then OK is false. If OK, then we have a candidate, and now x modulo stuff will give me everything I need, I believe. This is number of nanoseconds. Seconds. Minutes. And hours. This will be from the end, I guess. That's called in of 0, I guess. Okay, do we have in particular have this and that? That's all right. This is also fine. I think we're good. If hour, so answer of 0, is smaller than 12, then let's print this. Okay, first test set looks good. Second one looks good. All is good. Not this. Okay, I'm not far behind with time of 18 minutes, with time of 17 minutes instead of 12. That's fine. Some people gave up and moved to the second problem. Yes, okay, let's go. Second. This must be easier. I think that we will go backwards, but I don't know much more. When we look at the input, maybe I should kind of go in reverse to know that this can be Let's see. I need at least that many, right? Okay. A moment before this, we had this or that, one of those two. Either of them, it would change to give me +1 of this. Maybe with extra unit of that. Doesn't matter. Or maybe I shouldn't go backwards. Because starting from some metal, I know if I don't need it, I just need to use it. Then I use those, use that, and so on, and so on. Maybe let's go to the right. So this changes, let's say, into that. Now, either I leave this one, or if I don't leave it, then I create that. Then again, I can leave this unit, or I can use it. Now I'm looking at this one. Should I use it or not? And should I use all of it? The question is kind of, should this be already one of the metals that I use, one of those n-consecutive metals? I maybe should consider stopping here and saying that this is the first metal to use. This is like UN. This is UN. And then greedily try to get here whatever is needed. And if that's impossible, then just break all of it into smaller parts. I don't know what's the complexity of this program. Like what if A is 20 and B is 18? Can this be impossible? Yes, it can be impossible. That depends on GCD of AB. Okay, let's try that. I will use longs just in case. Here we have NAB. This I will simply reverse, I think. And no. There will be some check related to GCD of A and B, but that will go later. Let's go with B, 1. For a moment I consider that maybe starting from here, maybe v of start is u of n, which is for me just u0. If v of start is greater or equal, let's call it u if they called it u. Then we consider this. This should be temporary. V of start plus I. If that's smaller than that corresponding element, then break, false. Otherwise I push to the right as much as possible. Extra is this. I will not use long logs. V of 0 is 1. This is u. Otherwise, this is the extra. V of this plus A plus equal extra and plus B plus equal extra. I will need to cancel this later. If OK, then we should print the answer and return. What's the answer? I think answer is the something like start plus n plus minus 1 and plus I, and I clear the array. Okay, but if not okay, then roll back, so we cancel those changes. Or actually, what about... Okay, yeah, this is fine. Say an array of size 5 million. That I hope it's enough. Otherwise, anyway, my solution is too slow. And yeah, first we save, then we roll back. But other than rollback, we need to push everything from here to the right. This can exit stuff, right? Yes, it can. Actually, infinity can be limited by like 21, because that's enough for everything. Okay, and here, 465. 310. No, it should be 5. Impossible? Yes, sure. That's not an issue. But do we clean? We don't. Okay, the issue was with cleaning. Still, I think we will just find here GCD of A and B, and that must be the distance between everything. Okay, good now. And one last thing is that here I will say that this should be enough. If not, then I won't assert false. It's bad that this is a hidden verdict. I'm at 34 minutes. Yeah, not bad. I mean, not great. Oh, only one problem left. That's unusual. Runtime error. I guess let's do some testing. Assert failed. Why? Everything is 21. Oh, wait. What about 41? Yeah. 21 is not enough to propagate. I think this is safer after all. No full score quite yet. And again, some kind of strange problem. Okay, passed. Now I can focus on C. I still can win. We want to put big digits here at the top. All right. I guess that first we will put everything in the first tower. And we want it to reach length of 13 or maybe 14. And then we wait until we get a 9. And only when we get a 9 we want to put it to the very top. I will never care about digits other than the top 2 digits. What can be the strategy here? It's always important only what are the heights of my current towers, and it's nice if some of them have height of 14. I care about this. I think my current state will be the number of finished towers, the number of towers with length 14, 13, and I guess everything else. And by everything else, I mean just there will be one other tower. I will not try to redistribute that, because whatever. I don't care about it. And then we I want dp of that. Yeah, this is a dp problem. This is the number of test cases, I guess. Oh, still, I need to do some pre-processing there. dp of full for teens remaining, so size of a small tower. Can I say in what order? Yeah, in just this order. Okay. Let's call it 0. It means that 0 left. This will be called 1. This will be called 2. This is impossible state, otherwise it's possible. Okay. Wait, I'm doing this in a completely wrong direction. I want to say that from state I'm moving to bigger state. This is b minus 3 because otherwise it moves to 2. Cool. Now for every digit that I can get, I can reach something. Like this. If 1 is not 0, Then we can change 1 into 0 plus we get this digit. Finally, if this is the case, then this is a special case where small transforms to a 2. And otherwise, I would say that we don't get anything. I simply don't care. And now let's print the initial state. It takes so much time. Should be fast. Oh, I first need to provide that. Sure. Oh, that's bad. Plus 1. $19.078. I think that's close enough. Maybe I need one more dimension. I'm less than 1% away. Yeah, I think that this should be alright. Oh, wait, but I know what small is. That's a little bit closer. And now this is good enough. Need to just follow the interaction protocol. From 1 to n. I need to find the best possibility. Should I just save it here? This will be what to replace. Okay, and now easy. I'm looking for tower with height equal to what I need to perform. And obviously I need to update this. Do I need to read anything later? Okay. Okay, I'm done. Why is this? Oh, but action corresponds to the digit. wrong. Too late. Well, top 10 isn't bad. I have one wrong attempt. That should be 5th place right now. Okay, the first two problems were very bad, and the last one is actually nice. Like, the first one, come on. Like, CodeGem is better than this. In this one, I make one assumption, that when I have a small tower, like of height 5, I will not try to start building a new tower from ground up, like from 0. That seems stupid because I want to quickly get to height 13 or 14 in order to be able to place the last digit if I ever get a 9. So I then claim the state is just the number of 15s, 14s, and that not full tower, like something from 0 to 13. Oh, number of 15s, 14s, and 13s. I wanted to be more precise because time and memory allows that. And then, if state can exactly be described like this, I can, with dp, say what's the, what's the best action. Because for every new state, I pre-computed the expected value till the finish. So this is a nice problem. Oh, 6th place, not 5th. I guess one more person submitted something seconds ago. Oh, 4 seconds. It's so sad. So yeah, 1 minute and I would be 4th, and no wrong penalty. Few seconds saved as well, and I would be 3rd. My issue here was infinity. Yeah, too small infinity. That was 3 minutes here plus 4 minutes for wrong penalty. But congratulations to Neil for winning with time of 48 minutes. How is Poland doing? I'm sure that many people were just stuck on the first problem. I think that in the first problem, the last sample helped so much. Maybe it was mentioned before, but this just showed me how to solve the problem. Because I knew, okay, yeah, this is how to do it. 112 and 720, that's the ratios. And then I wrote down here this system of equations, and it all became easy. So I didn't treat the minute as unknown because, well, I know that there is some value. I wanted number of ticks because that defines everything else. It seems that, yeah, I'm at 6th position. I hope you enjoyed this screencast, and I hope you advance to the next round. If not, good luck in 1C, and see you at round 2 of Google CodeGem, which I guess will happen in a few weeks. I can actually check. May 15th. That's 20 days from now. All right. Take care. Bye.